Sons are dangerous. Pastor, we are dangerous.
Very dangerous.
Sons are dangerous. I came to make a declaration that sons are dangerous. We are monsters to the world. If Moses was stored up for increase, Pastor, he was stored by the king himself. The king was the killer. Now the killer stored what he wanted to kill. It's like a giraffe in the den of a lion, and the lion lying and watching the giraffe. That is not enough. The king fed Moses. Do you know what that means? The lion goes and look for food and bring it to the giraffe. Say, I shall be fed by the lion. I shall be fed by my killers. God, the son of Pharaoh's daughter, he neglected the wealth of Pharaoh because he saw a higher wealth. And look at what happened. When the children of Israel were about to exit Egypt, God told them, go to their doors, knock their doors. When they open, these same people who want to push you out, don't ask them anything. Tell them, give me your gold. I will repeat for you, brother. God said to them, Moses, tell my people not to be worried. They are about to leave. Tell them to go to the children of Egypt tomorrow morning. Knock their doors. When they open, tell them, give me your gold. And the children of Israel obeyed. The next morning they went. They saw the door. They knocked the door. The door was open. And they asked, give me your gold. And they gave them their gold. Say, I received the gold of the world. I received the gold of the world. It's mine. It's my portion. I have it. I tell the world, bring me your gold. Bring me your gold. Bring me your gold. It was a servant. Solomon was a servant. When the son came, he said, greater one than Solomon is here. So your story shall be greater than Moses. Your story shall be greater than Moses. Your increase shall be greater than Moses.